Hi there, welcome to OneClick Code Academy. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use our waste calculator inside OneClick Code. When you're working on a roofing project, knowing the amount of shingle waste is critical. Order too much and you overspend. Order too little and you risk delays. That's where our waste calculator comes in. With just a few inputs, you can generate an accurate, property-specific calculation that saves you time, eliminates the guesswork, and gives you confidence in your numbers. It also means you can copy the results straight into your estimate and share a professional, verified report with adjusters, inspectors, or clients, helping reduce disputes and keep your project on track. Let me show you how it's done. On your dashboard, go to Projects and click on Create Project. Type in the property address, and the system instantly pulls the correct jurisdiction. Once your desired address pops up, click Submit. You're now taken to your project. To access the waste calculator, scroll down on this screen and click Calculate next to Shingle Waste. This will open a new page where you'll enter the calculator inputs. For this example, I'll enter sample values, but please add the numbers corresponding to your project. You'll need to provide the following values: roof size in squares, ridge length, hip length, open valley and closed valley, rake length, eave length, roof to wall and step flashing, and lastly, bundles per square foot. Pick between 3 to 6. Once you're done, click Calculate. Now pick your output, nearest bundle or nearest square feet. For each output, you can also expand the calculation by clicking View Note. It also allows you to copy the note directly into your estimate. Select the one that works best for your project, then click Create Report. And there you go. Simple as that, your waste report is ready. Your report includes property address and authority having jurisdiction, sales tax details, whether code is enforced, if manufacturer specifications apply, if building permits are issued locally, your roof inputs clearly listed, your waste estimate. It shows how many extra shingles you'll need beyond the roof's measured area to cover things like cutting, overlaps, and accessories. You'll also see different totals, one for shingles only, one for shingles plus hip ridge, and one for shingles plus starter. This helps you order the right amount of material in bundles or squares without ending up with a big surplus. And if you ever need to refer back to it later, you can easily download the PDF by clicking on the download icon at the top right of your report. Thank you for watching. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and check out our other tutorials. Enjoy your free trial with OneClick Code today. See you next time.